Hello, I am Mandar More. I am studying in third year diploma in mechanical engineering at Shivnagar Vidya Prasarak Mandal Institute of Technology and Engineering, Malegaon Budruk, Baramati district, Pune. Our institute code is 0038. My project topic is low cost solar dryer. My project group members are myself, Mandar More, Nitin Aisar, Rohit Teware, and Sresh Dorge. Our project is guided by Professor P.B. Pawar. So drying is one of the oldest methods that can be used to preserve foods and agricultural products for a longer period of time. Thus, in conventional method, the open sun drying method is mostly used. But in this method, it has some issues like animal attack, bird attack, insect attack, fungi, wind, dust, storms, rainfall, and it requires large space also, and its drying time is more. So what is the solution for it? A solar dryer. The solar dryer is a device which is used to dry the food and agricultural products by overcoming all the disadvantages of conventional drying methods, means the open sun drying method. So the solar dryer is made by us is a low cost solar dryer. For to construct this, we require a material bamboo, which is easily available in the local market. Then the J hooks, then the O hooks at the bottom of bamboo, then the Nelton net, and it's made up of the structure of bamboo. Then black plastic paper. This material can be easily available in the market. Now I am going to explain the construction of the low-cost solar dryer. Then it is a simple square pyramid type structure made up of bamboo. On which J hooks are provided, and the distance between these two J hooks are about 15 centimeter. And at the bottom of the bamboo, the O hooks are provided, on which the horizontal supporting bamboos are mounted to avoid the slip and for the stability of the solar dryer. Then the trays should be made up of the nail tonnage, or can be which can be mounted on the on this dryer with the helps of J hooks like this. Like this we can assemble this solar dryer. Like this, the trays are mounted on this solar dryer. The product should we want to be dry will be spread on this solar trays. Then the whole assembly of this solar dryer is covered with this plastic paper, which has one inlet port at the bottom and another is outlet port, which is at opposite to bottom port, which is at top of the dryer. Like this, the whole assembly of dryer is covered with this black plastic paper. Like this assembly of the dryer assembly is covered with glass plastic paper. Now we will see the working of this solar dryer. The solar dryer has two ports. One is inlet port, which is at bottom of the solar dryer, and the another port which is at opposite to bottom port and at the top of the dryer, from which air is escapes. Now the air enters into the dryer from the bottom side. Then the solar radiations falling on this plastic paper, due to this the air inside the dryer get heated. Due to heat, the temperature of air increases. Due to that, the density of air decreases. Then the air can flow from bottom to top side. When it is flowing from bottom to top side, it get contact with the food products that can be kept on the solar trays. When it flowing through that product, it removes the moisture from the heat exchanging process from that product and escapes the high humid air and high temperature air from the top side. In this way, the product kept inside the it they are dried. The whole process occurs naturally. Due to this natural process, the taste, color and odor of product should not be changes. Now we will see the advantages of this solar dryer. As earlier told, the material required to construct this solar dryer is available in local market very easily and at very cheap cost. The cost of this solar dryer is very less. It is about 1,400 rupees only, which is very less as compared to solar dryers which are available in market. Then the unskilled and untrained person will also handle this solar dryer very easily. The assembling and dismantling of this solar dryer is also easy. This solar dryer is eco-friendly and or environmental friendly. And it requires very less maintenance. When after dismantling this solar dryer, it can be stored in very small space. Likewise, this we can dismantle the solar dryer very easily. Likewise, this we can easily assemble and dismantle this solar dryer very easily. And this solar dryer is stored in very small space. And its transportation from one place to another place is very also very easy. Now we see the application of this solar dryer. This solar dryer is mostly used by the farmers to dry the products like coffee, tea, tobacco, vegetables, fruits, dry fruits, etc. Now this dryer is also used by the textile industry to dry the textile material. This solar dryer is also used by the common families to dry the homemade products like papad, potato chips, etc. This dryer is also used to dry the meat, fish, etc. Now, this solar dryer is very cheap than the solar dryers available in the market. Then this solar dryer is covered, so its advantages it's free from birds attack, animal attack, insect attack, fungi, dust, storms, rain, etc. And it requires small space, and it is very cheap. The product dried inside this solar dryers is naturally, so due to this its odor, color, taste, ingredients should not be changes. When we did it forcefully, then its color, odor, ingredients can be changes and decreases. The product we have tested in these solar dryers are coriander, kothembir, fenugreek, methi, mint, pudina, spinach, palak, potato chips, Indian gooseberry, avla, karela, onion, red chili, then grapes. Such types of product we are dried in this solar dryer. The time required to dry these products is depending upon the moisture content in it. The fenugreek means methi has the low moisture content. So to dry this methi we require the 3 hours only. Then the grapes have more moisture content, means it has maximum moisture content. So we require 15 days to dry these grapes. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.